WhatsApp has been considered one of the favorite messaging apps for several years, and for several reasons. First of all, this app is very practical and easy to use. Every WhatsApp update comes with a new useful tricks and settings such use WhatsApp on multiple devices or transfer WhatsApp chats between Android and iPhone. Also send disappearing messages on WhatsApp, but there's more WhatsApp hidden features that many of us are unaware about. In this video I will show you 2 useful WhatsApp tips and tricks you should know. So, let us start. Free up WhatsApp storage on your smartphone. If you have enabled the Media Auto Download option, then you might be annoyed about WhatsApp filling up your storage space in no time. These chats include not just text messages, but also images, audio files, and videos. This takes a lot of storage space. WhatsApp makes it easier to free up space with new storage management tool. Open WhatsApp and tap on the 3-dot menu located at the top right corner. Here, open Settings, and then move to Storage and Data. Here, open Manage Storage, and you will find complete details about your WhatsApp storage. Tap on Forwarded many times to find all repeated images and videos which has been sent to you. Now, press and hold to select media files that you want to delete. To delete all forwarded items at once, tap on Select All, and press the Delete button. You are done. Next, tap on the Larger than 5 megabytes section and review the files and delete accordingly. All files will be sorted in the order of larger size. WhatsApp's View Once messages. WhatsApp is adding a View Once feature for sending messages. The recipient will then be able to view the photo or video only once, and the message self-destructs. Using the View Once messages is pretty straightforward. Select a photo that you'd like the recipient to view only once. Next to the caption field, you'll see a small 1 inside of a circle. Tap it, and the recipient will be able to see the picture exactly once. I hope that these tips and tricks will help you get the most out of your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.